Welcome to my unboxing of my DJI Mini 3. Yeah. This is the box, very small, it's tiny compared to my hand. Look, it's my hand.
What about my hand?
Put your hand, in there. That's Lace's hand, and that's how big the box is. Pretty cool, isn't it? Should we have a look inside?
And look at the world.
Ooh, let's have a look inside.
I saw this drone on YouTube.
Did you?
And it's the man who stole our channel.
No way.
Our channel name.
You stole our channel name?
Uh-huh.
Crazy. Let's have a look inside, shall we? So that's my drone. That's the app, if you want to scan the QR code for the DJI Mini 3. Thanks, Lace. Little assistant there. And then we're going to have a little look at her. So we'll get her out. The little assistant is going to get her out of the bag.
Really carefully.
Really carefully.
Because that man who stole our channel name did not do it carefully, so he broke it. He broke it.
Did he?
Yeah.
And that is the drone.
Do you want me to get out the wings?
Not yet. We'll just have a look at her like this. So compared to the box, that's how big she
you
is.
might have to get the. Okay. So, vlog, look. This is a little guy.
Oh,
But
little
look,
guy.
He's got metal on the bottom.
He has. They're cool, aren't they?
We just need to screw a vlog on.
Yeah. Cool. And then let's have a look what else we got in the box. So we'll take that layer out. Thank you.
Smaller fingers.
And then that leaves us then with the handset. So we've got.
Do they have pink ones, Dad? Dad?
I don't think so.
Because if they did get a pink one, if they did have a pink one, you could got a pink one.
Yeah. So we went for the. So we've gone for the DJI RC Remote Control, which has the built-in screen. There we go. Perfect. So we get these on charge. There you're on the back if you turn it around, Lace. You take out these here, and that's what you screw in for your joysticks.
Dad, if you ever do a drone thing again, can I help you?
Yeah. And there you go, you've got those set up.
Look, you can go. Boom, boom, boom.
And then what we have, we got this in the box.
Don't we swipe it?
Yeah. So there's nothing else left in the box. Cool.
Dad.
That's right, there just to keep the moisture out. So compared to the obviously handset and then the drone they are absolutely tiny and compact.
Well, I don't know why that's so big, but that's so small.
So you can hold it better, I guess.
Look,
We've got some spare propellers.
this is look.
2 sets.
Look, that's Chinese writing. That's English writing.
That's right. Some manuals, a screwdriver, anything else? Oh, and a USB cable. Cool.
Nothing else. There's a boring box.
Not sure how you charge it, so I'd better read the manual. So yeah, we'll catch you up when we've set her up and hopefully able to fly her. Okay, and just to quickly point out, this drone is very popular because it's under 240 grams. Sorry, 249 grams it's under. So with the battery, SD card and the drone itself, it's less than 249. So you are exempt from a lot of drone restrictions. Okay, yeah, hold it. So we just checked the charging cable, and it is a C cable, but they give you a C to C cable, so it's not C to USB. So it is a little bit more difficult to charge.
Can I undo the wings?
No, it's okay. But hold it so I can see its butt.
Can I undo the wings?
And that's where you put the charger, and that's where you put the SD card. So if we show you how to put that in. So, memory card in here. You can see the on button. Memory card goes in upside down, like so.
Should we undo the wings outside just in case it flies?
It won't fly. It's got no battery. But you push it in until it clips in place. So that's actually the bottom. So where the light is, that's the bottom. So the memory card goes in the right way up if it was upside down. But if you're putting it in that way.
And the bottom, by the way, guys, are really easy to open.
They are.
But these ones aren't very.
But This is the handset, so you can put a memory card in here. You hold that, so it goes in the right way up, and then push it in till it clips. Okay, so
guys, what you normally do is...
So that one pulls out towards us, so from here, you pull it out. That's it, a bit more.
Oh. By the way, the top ones are really hard to pull out.
Yeah, pull it out, yep. Okay. And then that one underneath pulls down. That's right, and then repeat the process on the other side. So that one pulls out.
I'm sorry guys that we were feeding you. This is the right way.
That is the right way. So that is now your drone.
Let me just undo the wing stuff.
Okay. Should you put him on that stool so we can see him?
My work stool.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
So that's your drone out. Okay, and it's now got a memory card inside. It's got your
Dad, it's starting to fly.
Can I borrow that, sir?
It's starting to fly.
And they're just your air vents on the front.
Let go. Look, look. It's flying.
Woo. And then this front bit here
I ride on the way there.
is, I assume, just for protecting it whilst on out and about, just in your bag, in your carry case. So that front bit there will clip off before flying. So you just unclip that from that, and then that is your camera without the casing. So we just need to charge her up and she is ready to fly. So we'll hopefully see you.
Are you calling her a she or a he then?
A she, a big girl. Gimbal coming up into focus any second. There you go. So that's now recording in 4K. So let's fly her. Take off. So hold it down. Take off. And she is quiet. And she's up. Stay there. Ta-da. And it's just landed in place. Look at that. Nice and easy. Only used half a battery as well. Just going to fold her away.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.